Vijay Kalantri, who is the president of the All India Association of Industries, Indian Council of Foreign Trade, and Indo-Polish Chamber of Commerce and Industry. He is the chairman of Balaji Infra Projects Limited. He has developed a port SEZ in Maharashtra. Dr. Vijay is also the chairman of the World Trade Center Mumbai, a member of the board of directors of WTC Association New York, and past president of All India Manufacturers Organization and Association Machinery and Textile Spares Manufacturing. Dr. Kalantri is currently the Honorary Consul to Uzbekistan in Mumbai and the chairman of the Honorary Consular Corps, Diplomatique, Mumbai. Honored with various prestigious awards, Dr. Vijay is a recipient of the Commander Cross of the Order of Merit by the Government of Poland and also the Puskin Award from the President of the Russian Federation. Today, Mr. Vijay will give us a brief view of supply chain technologies. So, delegates, let's welcome Mr. Vijay.
I had spoken on the supply chain technology and how technology is important for keeping supply chain system, and you should be innovative and as well as. Now, if we talk about MSME, now what they need, what type of technology they need, and which technology is right for them. One is that. Secondly, can they afford technology? Because for MSME, it's very difficult that to spare the money because most of the MSME are always short of fund, and we have been always talking to RBI that timely and adequate fund is the need of the hour for MSME sector. But it's still discussed and so many committees have been formed, but not there. But the new area where if they have to go for research, R&D, and there also again the technology comes in picture. Or if you want to tie up or have joint venture, again the financial system always is one aspect which always deters MSME to move forward. And in digitization or technology, you need something spare money than what you have money for your project and products or for your raw material, and everything has to fall in line, whether it is raw material, whether you're manufacturing products or whether it is technology or innovation. Everything goes together. If everything falls in line, you are the king in the market. You are the king of that product. And then many of the companies have done. Most of the companies which have foreign corporations in pharma sector, I'm just talking about that, have done very well and are doing well because I have seen their products and their stock market prices, which was hardly 100 rupees or 200 rupees or 300 rupees. Today it is 3,000 rupees and 4,000 and 5,000 rupees. Many of the pharma companies. So they have done well because the technology is the order of the day and technology has helped them. And one of those companies, Sanofi, if you see, I saw it price before 3 years or 2.5 years, was about 400 or 500 rupees. And today it is 5,000 rupees. So you can see how technology, supply chain system and product line fall in place. It helps you all the way. So technology and supply chain system is very important. It has to commensurate with the product line. It has to commensurate with your raw material and also your marketing scheme. And once all three mix together, you are done with and you will do well and well. And as I earlier also said, in pharma we have made a brand name as we made our brand name into IT sector, information technology, and this both goes hand in hand. And you are in a market where you need to improve your technology, your quality and your product line. It's like an ongoing process. You can't say today I've done this, yesterday I've done that. That's not enough. Every moment the technology in the world is changing. The things are changing. In pharma sector, if you see, the requirement is changing. When the COVID came, nobody knew what is COVID and what medicines is required for COVID. Similarly, same thing in supply chain system, technology. You don't know what technology will require tomorrow and for what products and what is best for you. It only you come to that stage when you face the situation. And if you adopt the situation and move faster, you are the best friend in the place and you are the best in the market. Where you can be. And then where the all intellectual people or the company who is prompt, who is efficient and goes with the system, time and knows his job will go for it. So the technology is an ongoing process. One should go for innovation in technology, not just think that I have done enough. You have to look out for that. And you should be on an ongoing process to develop your supply chain system, develop technology and be innovative at all the time. Thank you.